What's good, YouTube? This is Driven by Cars. In today's episode, I'll be talking about the most common failures to receive the brake light malfunction error on a BMW F30. If you guys are receiving the brake light malfunction error, there can be a few reasons why. The brake light might not work, or your brake light works and you still receive the brake light error. So just follow along and let's solve the problem. We need to remove the brake light. In order to do this, we have to remove the black plastic cover that is held in by one plastic clip. You can use a flat screwdriver and pop the clip off, or you can just tug on it like what I'm doing. Next, you can remove the two screws attached to the headlight with a 10mm socket. Once you remove the two screws, you can go ahead and remove the tail light by tugging on it towards you. Just don't tug too hard, you might rip the wires off. Go ahead and remove the wire that is connected to the brake light by pushing in the tab and pulling at the same time. It should come off. Go ahead and inspect the wire plug. Make sure that the pins inside are still connected and not burned off. This is a common location for it to break or burn off. So just make sure they look good. At the same time, make sure the wires at the back look good, not cut or exposed wires. Go ahead and look at the back of the brake of the taillight. There should be a bulb holder that has some pins as well. Make sure those are connected and not burned as well. Once you inspect all of that, go ahead and remove the bulb holder. Push in the 4 tabs in each corner and lift at the same time. I switched my brake lights to LED instead of halogen bulbs. You can go ahead and replace your light bulbs if needed. I would recommend the LED because they do not die on me like the halogens. To put everything together, just do the same steps but just backwards. If none of these were your problems and your brake lights work and still receive the error, you probably will need to code it out with an OBD scanner. I have the KIES Motorsports OBD Scanner. I will have a link down in the descriptions if you need one. You also will need Beamer Tech. You can download it off of your iPhone or Android. You will need to pay $30 for the full versions, I believe. Go ahead and plug the OBD scanner underneath the driver's side of the vehicle. Make sure you are facing it the right way, not the wrong way like I am.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Once plugged in, you can go to your settings onto Wi-Fi and connect to KIES OBD Scanner. Go into beamer code, hit connect, and select your model. Go into rear electronics module, find LED conversions. Under all of those, activate them and hit code. Hopefully with this video you were able to fix the error. If you thought this video was helpful, drop a like and don't forget to share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more content of me upgrading my car.